Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and let me share with you how to enable the option to suggest emojis whilst typing on this device. So we've got actually two different ways to do that. You can do it simply by opening the keyboard and entering the settings. I personally prefer to do it using the general settings, let's say. So let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find general management. Let's tap on it, and on the right we've got the options we are looking for. So here we've got the Samsung keyboard setting and the keyboard list and default. So let's tap on this Samsung option, and on the second position actually we've got the suggest emojis option, which is in my case turned on. Of course, if you've got it turned off, if it looks like it, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher. Of course, if you've got another keyboard applied, for example Gboard, then you will have to also enter the options, and you will find a suggest emojis option for sure, I promise you. So actually this is it. This is how to enable emoji suggestions in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.